Sugar Harmony is a dietary supplement, a liquid in drops, that supposedly helps treat diabetes. That's what the ads claim. You've probably seen a few versions already. Same pitch, different thumbnails. Every one of them promises a simple recipe you can repeat at home that will cure diabetes. Yeah, sure. They push you to click the link at the bottom of the ad and go watch a full video that could be deleted any moment because Big Pharma won't allow the truth, right? Let's take a look inside. I'll run you through it fast. We land on a site made to look like CBS News and the 60 Minutes show. Big headline: breaking, Dr. Phil reveals the honey ritual that reverses type 2 diabetes and shocks doctors. The byline even says Dr. Phil McGraw. There's a single video and almost nothing else on the page. But one glance at the address bar and the illusion collapses. The domain is lifenew.net.br, not cbsnews.com, not 60minutes.com. First red flag, loud and clear. Now the video, it's long. Notice the progress bar that moves fast at the start? That's just a trick. It slows to a crawl the longer you watch. They sprinkle in footage of Dr. Phil and Dr. Oz tell a dramatic life story, wave around lab tests, and keep teasing a magic home recipe that will heal diabetes. Spoiler, even if you sit through roughly an hour, they never reveal any recipe. Instead, a locked section mysteriously opens and pushes you to buy a supplement called Sugar Harmony. Suddenly we've got only a few minutes left, purchase options, a near perfect rating, almost 40,000 reviews, and a money-back guarantee. See those trust badges? GMP, FDA, 100% natural, USA, GMO-free. They're just images. There are no real certificates linked, no independent verification. Some of these badges don't even exist in the way they're shown. It's theater to make you feel safe. I also found their so-called official product site, different page, same pitch, and down in the fine print, it clearly says none of this is evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. Translation: these are marketing claims. You're on your own if you believe them. What if you try to buy? You're taken to a checkout page with heavy pressure tactics. There's a countdown clock designed to rush you. Refresh the page and, surprise, the timer resets and gives you even more urgent time. Fake urgency 101. More shiny badges. The same tons of people are viewing this right now. And another 5-star rating. Fun detail, on one page they brag about almost 40,000 reviews, on another it's already over 40,000. The numbers move, the product doesn't. Let's talk domains. The site behind this was created recently, about half a year ago, and the owner hid all registrant details behind privacy. No company name, no address. That's another red flag. Reviews? On Trustpilot, there's no official page for their main site at all, which is telling. But if you dig, you can find entries tied to this supplement name, and they're, let's say, not encouraging. Roughly 73% negative, an overall rating around 2.4 out of 5. People call it a scam and say it's nothing like what was promised, so draw your own conclusions. Everything shown in these ads and the fake news page is just advertising dressed up as journalism. Dr. Phil and Dr. Oz are used here as props. They don't recommend this stuff and have nothing to do with it. That's the actual truth. And no, there is no home honey ritual or simple kitchen recipe that cures diabetes. Thanks for watching and stay sharp out there.